Hello, this is how we jive from Ask Communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing, guys. You can see I have a lovely looking black box traffic camera here for you. So if you are driving, if you have any incidents, you can record that. It will record automatically everything. So lovely looking box here. You can see the camera. And the picture here we can see it has TFT screen that is 3" if I'm not wrong, full HD recording, wide angle lens 170°, the night vision that is important, then supported 32GB. It should support more but doesn't matter. Motion detection, so anything will move, it will record. Cycle recording, it will delete old file and record again new one. G sensor, that is important as well. Lovely looking handy box. You can see here you can buy this product in Shein, is very cheaper there. I'll leave the price in the description. Let me take this off. Lovely. Here is the cam. Before going to the camera, let's see what we have here. This is the important part. So you have you see here, this is a glue. It will take and you will hang the camera there. Lovely, great, I guess. And if you want, you can take out the camera as well when you are not using. Okay, let's go to here. The stuffs what we have here, a tool to take out somewhere you want to put. So there should be a manual how to use this one, I don't know. Yeah, another clip sort of thing. Yeah, and this is the charger or adapter that is needs some battery, the power. You can connect in your car this one, and you have charge is something as a GPS that you use in your car. Similar will be okay. Lovely cable. I think it's quite long. Fine. After that, let's go to the camera. Here we go. Take this off. Lovely looking camera. You can see here 3" display, in this case TFT display at the bottom. Here you see a hole for mic, then R recording hole, I don't know what is, some hole for heating purpose. This side is the place of SD card, then the forward backward button, this one, so you can connect here with this one. Lovely. And what else we can show you? So this one, lock unlock, you see here, should be, I guess, should go as this. So this is suppose as this, you see how it is. So you see it's moving, so should be as this. You can see in your car the display, what is going on, everything is fine or not. Lovely, little bit angle. So now we'll be in the car. You will see better how it's in the car. Doesn't have any power, I guess, because it works with the adapter. Without adapter it will not work. It has two cameras. You can move this camera any direction you want, and you have another camera here. So double camera, and this one has something here. If you want, you can move or rotate in different direction as well, if I'm not wrong. So this is unboxing part. In future I will show you how you can set up this one in your car. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.